How to deposit a check with Citizens Bank. If you'd like to do so, you may basically follow up these steps in order to do. So let's just get started. So you may basically head over and open up the latest version of the Citizens mobile banking app or even the website. And once you are there, you can go ahead and tap on the deposit option. Once you do so, you can enter the amount of the deposit that you would like to do so. Make sure it matches what is on your check. And then once it is done, you can select which account you want to deposit it into. After that is done, you can sign in the back of your check and write for mobile deposit to citizens only below your signature. Once it is completed, you can tap on the camera icon to take photos of the front and back of your check. Be sure they are on a dark background in a well-lit area without anything else in the background on image. And double check your deposit info and then tap deposit and then you're all set. Your check will be deposited in the Citizens mobile banking app, and that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to do so, you may follow up this method in order to do it. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.